Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Using Acrobat, you can easily add hyperlinks and other types of links to PDFs. This is helpful when you want to create a link to a web page within a page in a PDF document. To create a link using Acrobat, begin by selecting the Edit PDF tool from the Tools Center or Tools panel. Next, click the Link button found in the Edit PDF toolbar. Select the Add, Edit, Web, or Document Link command from the drop-down menu. Your cursor changes into a crosshair tool when held over the PDF page. Click and drag over the area where you want the link to appear within the page of the PDF document. As you click and drag, a blue box lets you see the boundaries of the link. When you release the mouse button, the Create Link dialog box opens. In the link appearance area of the dialog box, you can define how the link will appear to someone viewing the PDF. Use the Link Type drop-down to select either Visible Rectangle or Invisible Rectangle. If you select Visible Rectangle, then use the Line Style drop-down to choose a line style for the rectangle. You can click the Color box to set the line color of the visible rectangle. You can then set the thickness of the line border from the Line Thickness drop-down. For both visible and invisible rectangles, you can click the Highlight Style drop-down to select an animation effect to apply to the link when it is clicked by a user. In the Link Action section of the dialog box, you can designate what happens when someone clicks on the link. The options are Go to a Page View, Open a File, Open a Web Page, and Custom Link. Select the desired option button and then click the Next button to continue. If you select the Go to a Page View option, then a message box appears on screen and tells you to use the scroll bars, mouse, and zoom tools to create the target view of the page, and then click the Set Link button in the message box to set the link destination. If you select the Open a File link, then a Select File to Open dialog box appears when you click the Next button. Use it to navigate to the file to open, click it to select it, and then click the Open button to set the link. Alternatively, if you choose the Open a Web Page option, then an Edit URL dialog box appears when you click the Next button. Enter the URL of the web page to open and then click the OK button to set the link. If you select the Custom Link option, then a Link Properties dialog box appears when you click the Next button. The settings that you just set for the hyperlink in the Create Link dialog box appear on the Appearance tab. Click the Actions tab to select an action from the Select Action drop-down in the Add an Action section. Then click the Add button. Depending on the action selected, an additional dialog box will open and prompt you to specify additional settings for the selected action. After entering any required information, notice that your selection now appears on the Actions tab within the Actions section in the Link Properties dialog box. You can then click the OK button to apply your action to the link. You can also edit existing links in a PDF using the Link button found in the Edit PDF toolbar. To edit a link, click the Link button and then choose the Add, Edit, Web, or Document Link command from the drop-down menu. Next, double-click on the link you want to edit. The Link Properties dialog box opens. You can use the Appearance tab of the dialog box to adjust the way the link looks in the page of the PDF, or you can use the Actions tab to adjust what happens when a user clicks the link in the page. When you've made your selections, click the OK button to apply your changes and close the dialog box.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.